Click the subscribe button to subscribe our channel. Click the bell icon for instant notification.
Hi guys, today we are going to see how to get 100 rupees cashback on Amazon Pay. Let's start the video. Go to your browser, open Google, type Amazon, open this link in new tab. So I already opened. Log in with your registered account, then click this one, your order. Once you clicked, it will show like this, Amazon payable balance. Click this one. If you click this one, it will go to this page. It will ask you to type the amount. Type 300 rupees and click continue. Once you get continued, it will ask for your payment mode. Select the which payment mode you are going to use for the cashback. Then click continue. So if you click continue, it will go to next page. It will show like this. So here it will clearly stated like 100 rupees cashback on your order. So you will get 100 rupees after adding 300 in your wallet. So add balance. If you click add balance, it will ask like thank you for requesting your placing order. Once this one is done, you can go and check your wallet. Go and check again your wallet, Amazon Pay balance. So So 400 rupees will be added into your account. Like that you can add money. That's all guys. Thank you for watching the video.